Hey team, this is Brian 890. I'm here with Swee and Rachel's 140,000 BTU two-stage Goodman. We'll be replacing it with a 135,000 BTU two-stage, and we'll be replacing the evaporator coil and the AC as well. We're going to have to put his new unit on a 8-inch bottom box. We got plenty of room to work here. As you can see, the access is a utility room in the basement. I'll get you around here. We'll be removing his humidifier, which the pad's gone bad. It's an old unit. I never had the pad changed, so we're gonna take it out. He's gonna consider replacing it at a later date. As you can see, it is a needle valve. The return drop looks to be in good shape. The flue looks to be in decent shape too. I'm not sure if we can adjust that a little bit and seal it up. Access is just this basement. There's a nice door. You can see that you can carry equipment in quite easily without avoiding some stairs. 890.